Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable switch access on your XIAOMI Smart L1. To enable switch access, click on the settings button on your remote, and then go to all settings and now go to accessibility. Now go to switch access and you can enable it. Then click on OK. Now switch access is on. You'll need to set it up. Select whether you're using one switch or two switches. Click on next. Select whether you want to use linear scanning or row column scanning. Then you can just set everything up. I don't have any switches, so I can't really show you that, but that's where you do it. I'll actually stop switch access. Then you can also set up an accessibility shortcut which will let you enable switch access in an easier way. You'll need to go to accessibility shortcut, make sure that accessibility shortcut is enabled, and change shortcut service to switch access. Now click on OK, and once you press and hold on both down button and back button on the remote, it should work. In my case, it for some reason doesn't work, and I don't really understand why, but it should be working technically. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.